Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wa syukrillah wa salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa mawala. The month of Ramadan is certainly the month of individual activities. You can do your salat, you can read the Holy Quran, you can do your qiyamul layl, different type of ibadat. But don't forget, the month of Ramadan also is truly the month of family. In this time of information era, particularly social media, our families are broken actually. Our families are separated. Our kids have their own activities, the fathers have their own activities, mothers have their own activities. Sometimes we live at the same home, but we never speak to one another. Brothers and sisters, the month of Ramadan is the month that we have to come back and try to build that sense of family. At least that use that opportunity to do suhoor together, eat your suhoor together. Or eat your breakfast and iftar together. It reminds me a long time ago when we live in the villages back home, when we have our dinner and lunch together with our father and mother and brothers and sisters. During the lunch or dinner we can talk to one another, at least we can communicate to one another. It is truly right now, it's so difficult for a father sometimes to talk to the children. There are many reasons behind it. But that is the dunya that we live in, that's the environment we live in. So truly the month of Ramadan is the month that we have to build that sense of family once again. That we come together, try to communicate. But the best way to express our family life during the month of Ramadan is do ibadah together. If you're a father, bring your kids, come to the Taraweeh. Or maybe you can sit down together and read the Holy Quran together. If you can finish Khatam during the month together, mashallah. But at least sit down together and learn something from the Holy Quran. One surah, two surahs, read it, the translation. And if your children is grown, you can challenge him to talk about it. You read, for example, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. You read the translation. Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the universe. And you challenge your son or daughter to talk about what does it mean, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. This is the way to come together. This is the month that for the father and mother have that opportunity to express their leadership to the children. Because sometimes we lost the leadership. There's no sense of leadership anymore. We are father, but there's no leadership in the family. So time to come back together. So the point I would like to underline here in this particular moment is use this month truly to come back again, to build that family ties. Parents to children, children to parents, spouse, husband and wife, once again, strengthen their relationship. This is the month truly, is the month of blessing. Can Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala move and motivated us to utilize it for the family. Everything that we do in the month of Ramadan is blessed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But at the end, one of the things I'd like to remind you, this is the month that we must pray for our children. As a Muslim, as a father, as an Imam in America, one that really scares me, being a Muslim father and Imam in America, is losing the Iman, the Islam of our children. So pray for them in this month of Ramadan. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our prayer inshallah. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.